How to recover hacked Facebook account without email and phone number. For this, first of all, go through any browser you have on your device. Once you are on your browser, on the searching bar, search for Facebook Help Center. Then go through its official website. You will see this interface. From the top right, you will see three lines. Simply tap on that. Now, select Managing your account. Now here you will see Account Settings option. Tap on it. At the last, you will see option of Was this helpful? Now you have to select No. And then select Other. Then they will give this optional description box. Here you have to briefly describe about your issue. Give them your username and hit on the submit. Then Facebook team will help you out to recover your hacked Facebook account within the 24 hours. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.